Hello sir, today I'm going to show you how to use Simpson's Rule. So let's start. So first of all, we need to have an example that is fit for Simpson's Rule number 1. So this is the example of sample problem. So let's read it. The length of a ship water plane area is 128.00 meters. The length of the equidistantly spaced half ordinates commencing from forward are as follows: 4.63, 8.04, 2.14, 5.91, 2.41, 5.03, and 1.71. Find the area of the water plane. So first, we need to calculate the interval. So in order to calculate the interval, we should have the shape LOA, which is the length overall. So 128.00 divided by 6 equals to 21.3 meters. After that, let's count the ordinates. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 ordinates. Since 7 is an odd number, we can use Simpson's Rule number 1. So this is the interval of each ordinate: 21.3 meters, 21.3, so on and so forth. So this is the first ordinate: 4.63 meters, 8.04 meters, 2.14 meters, and so on and so forth. So this is the ship's LOA, or ship's overall length. So this is the table. The table consists of half ordinates, Simpson's multiplier, area function. So first, we have the ordinates, which is 4.63, 8.04, 2.14, and so on and so forth. So since it is Simpson's Rule number 1, we should use this 1424241 because this is the Simpson's multiplier in Rule number 1. So in order to get the area function, we need to times the half ordinate to Simpson's multiplier. 4.63 times 1 is equals to 4.63. 8.04 times 4 is equals to 32.16. 2.14 times 2 is equals to 428, and so on and so forth. So after getting all the area function, you should total all of this. So the total of these area functions is 91.36. So we already have the total area function. So let's go to the area of water plane. So in getting the area of water plane, this is the formula that we use. So 2 times 21.3 divided by 3 times 91.36 is equals to 1297.3. So this one, 21.3, we get this one from here, from the interval, while the 91.36 we get it from the total area function. So let's move on to the next sample problem. So let's read the next sample problem. So find the area of water which is 215.00. Its half ordinates commencing from forward are as follows: 8.90, 10.29, 2.96, 7.35, 4.52, 4.80, 1.38, 7.80, and 5.03. 2.05. So we need to calculate the interval. 2.00 divided by 8 is equals to 26.9. So this is the interval, 26.9, 26.1 of each ordinates. So this is the first ordinates, 8.90 meters, 10.29 meters, 2.96 meters, and so on and so forth. So let's move on to the table. So half ordinates. So this is the first ordinate, 8.90, 10.29, 2.96, and so on and so forth. So let's count the ordinates, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So since it is odd number, or the number of ordinates are odd, we can use Simpson's rule number 1. So this is the Simpson's multiplier of rule number 1, 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, like that. So after that, we need to have, or to get the area function. 8.90 times 1 is equals to 8.90. 10.29 times 4 is equals to 41.16. 2.96 times 2 is equals to 5.92, and so on and so forth. So after getting all the area function, you need to add all of this, or total. You need to get the total of area function, so which is 152.63. So we already have the total area function. Let's move on to the area of water plane. So this is the formula of area of water plane. 2 times 26.9 divided by 3 times 152.63 is equals to 2,737.2 meters. So let's move on to the third sample. So the length of half ordinates of half is 54.00 meters long. Water plane commencing from forward as follows. Area number 1 consists of 1.01, 6.27, 1.86, 2.00, and the area number 2 consists of 3.33, 3.00, 3.06. Find the area of water plane. So first, we need to get the interval. So 54.00 divided by 5 is equals to 10.8 meters. So the interval of this one, these ordinates are 10.8 meters, 10.8 meters, 10.8 meters, 10.8 meters, 10.8 meters. So this is the area number 1, which consists of 1.01 ordinate. Second ordinate is 6.27. Third ordinate is 1.86, and the last ordinate is 2.00. So this is the table of area number 1. This table consists of Simpson's multiplier, area function, and half ordinate. So this is the first ordinate, 1.01, 6.27, 1.86, 2.00, 3.33. So let's multiply the half ordinates to Simpson's multiplier. So we get the result of 1.1. 6.27 times 4, we get the result of 25.05. So and so on and so forth. So after that, you need to get the total of area function, which is 41.14. So where do you have the total area function? We need to calculate the area of water plane of this first area. So this is the formula. 2 times 10.8 divided by 3 times 41.14 is equals to 296.2 meters. So we get this this 10.8 from the interval, while the 41.14 we get this from the total area function. So let's move on to the next table. This next table is from the area number 2. So the area number 2 only have 3 ordinates, so which is 3.33, 3.00, 3.03, and its Simpson's multiplier is 141. So this is still Simpson's rule number 1. So 3.33 times 1 is equals to 3.33. 3.00 times 4 is equals to 12. 3.06 times 1 is equals to 3.06. After that, you get the total of area function. So you add these 3, and this is the result, 18.39. So we already have the total area of number 2. So let's get the area of this one. So 2 times 5.4 divided by 3 times 18.39 is equals to 66.2. So this 5.4, we get this from the interval of area number 2, which is 10. The area of number 1 is divided by 2. 10.2 divided by 2 is equals to 5.4. So after that, we already have the area number 2. So in order for us to get the total area, we need to add the two areas. The first area is 2.96.2, while the other one is 66.2. So you add these two, the result is 362.4. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.